Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how Timeplus Cloud can access your local Kafka or Redpanda through the tool called ngrok. First, let's set up a local Kafka or Redpanda server with some streaming data. I'm going to use the compose stack from the Redpanda. All you need to do is to copy this content, then create a local folder and start the server. It may take you about 2 to 3 minutes to download all the images if you run the first time, and if you're running on a Mac chips, you might get some warnings, but should be fine. Now let's go to the console UI, which is on the 8080. As you can see, that is we have some sample data using this e-commerce use case, and if you go to one of the topics such as the front-end event, then every few seconds there will be new events, and the data is in a JSON format. But it's not that easy to analyze this JSON data through this UI, so that's why you might need using Timeplus Cloud. But how Timeplus Cloud can access to this local server? Let's using ngrok. You can go to ngrok.com and download the client. If you're using Mac, you can just using brew to install it. Then you need to log in with ngrok or sign up with your Google account, then get the authentication token and using this command to add to your profile. And finally, you can just start a tunnel with your local port. So in this case, we are going to expose the 1992 to the outside world, and you will get a new address. Then you need to update the Kafka configuration to set this new address to your Kafka advised listener. Simply change this line from the local host to the new address and save. And you also need to restart the server. Cool. Then let's go to Timeplus Cloud and see whether we can consume this data. Goes to the source, create a Kafka source, and put the broker, the topic, and just choose the default value. Yes, it works. Finally set a name, and you are good to go. Let's explore the data. Go to the query page. Just select the new event. As you can see, we can easily using Timeplus Cloud to explore your data even it's in your local server. Then let's do something interesting, such as get the count for all the HTTP methods. And then we can turn this as a chart, like this. You may also want to get all the total number of response size, say per every second. This is as part of the JSON message in this column. Then using Timeplus, you can easily consume them. And similarly, you can turn this as a chart and add to the dashboard. Voila, this is a quick way to set up a local server using Redpanda or Kafka, then expose them using ngrok and visualize them in the Timeplus. You can do many other interesting stuff, such as do the downsampling, trigger alerts, or even apply machine learning. Okay, thank you. Bye.